Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to create a crew in Blox Fruit. First thing to do is to open your game, then go to this icon right here, then name your crew. I'm gonna type Test Clan. Then you can choose a logo from Roblox Marketplace, and to do this, follow my steps. Now, to get a logo, all you have to do is to go to your browser and type Roblox Marketplace, then click on enter and choose this one, then go to images, then search for any picture you want or anything that you want to have a picture about. I'm gonna type dragon, then I'll choose any image from here. I'm gonna choose this one, then click on get decal. Now go to Roblox home and click on inventory, then go down till you find decals, and now you can see the decal that we chose before. Click on it, then you can copy this link and paste it in the game. After getting the logo, all you have to do is to paste the link here by pressing Ctrl+V. You have the logo, then click on create and make sure that you are above level 300 to create your own crew. Now here, because I am only level 20, I cannot make my own crew. And that's all for today. I hope this video was useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.